How to make $100 per day online, part 21. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 21st video, the 21st way to make $100 per day online. I hope you're enjoying this YouTube video series. This one is super simple. You don't need any skills whatsoever. You can do this from anywhere in the world, like with many of these strategies, but not all. So I actually really like this one. You can make a ton of cash this way. Now guys, before I'm going to show you what it is, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. These 4 things really help my channel out, so please do these 4 things right now. Also check out all the links in the description of this video. I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online, my coaching, my free courses. Check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what we're going to be doing is transcribing. So if you don't know what it is, you essentially get an audio file, you listen to the audio and you type what you hear. Super simple. It doesn't get any easier than that. Again, no experience needed. All you need is a pair of earphones and a keyboard, and if you can open a Word document, that's all you really need. So guys, the website I want you to go first is transcribeme.com. So this is a website where companies go to when they need a transcriptionist like you. Okay, so all we're gonna do right here is click on jobs right here, and as you can see it says get paid working from home. This is exactly what we're gonna be doing and we want to be doing. Join Transcribe Me professional crowd and start working on projects and make money. So guys, this is the highest paid website. Okay, that's why I have it on the first position. They have earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. Okay, so 4 to 5 hours per day, you can make $100 easy. And again, all you're doing is just listening to an audio file and typing it out. They're going to give you expert training, they have flexibility, and you can actually grow with the company. So just click on get started, then you can join their team. That's website number 1. Obviously you can join all 5 websites that I'm going to show you if you want to maximize the income potential here. Okay, website number 2 is gotranscript.com. A very similar website. Now what we're gonna do right here is scroll all the way to the bottom and we will click on for transcriptionist work. Okay, so as you can see, we have a little video explaining all of this. They pay up to 60 cents per minute per audio or video minute. Average earnings per month is $150 and top monthly earnings is $1,215. Okay, so guys, again, this is a second website because they will have less jobs than transcribeme.com. Again, please sign up with all 5 of these websites to get all the jobs that you can. Number 3, I have rev.com. So rev.com is actually a little bit different because you can do transcription per $1.25 per minute. You can do also captions for videos and foreign subtitles. If you know a couple of languages like English and Spanish or English and German or English and Chinese, you can do foreign subtitles and make $3 to $7 per minute. So 3 different ways you can actually make money with rev.com working from home. All you have to do right here is just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on about freelancers. So obviously you're going to become this freelancer, create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs and get paid weekly. They will give you weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. So again, transcriptionists, they pay anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. Captioner 54 cents to $1.10, and obviously as a subtitler you're gonna make $1.50 to $3 per minute. Absolutely crazy. So guys, that's rev.com. Next up I have castingwords.com. Guys, all these websites are very similar. All you do right here is you already probably know that we go to the bottom and we click on freelancers, and we have the information right here. So sign up, work, get paid, pretty self-explanatory. And freelancers will be transcribing and completing our short jobs online at your pace. Obviously working from home, making money online. This is what it's all about. And lastly, I have website number 5, dailytranscription.com. All you do from here is just click on careers and you can join their team. As you can see, you have the flexibility. They have rates starting at 75 cents per minute to 85 cents per minute. Now they are not making any guarantees, but you can make anywhere from $250 to $950 per week. So guys, if your goal will be $100 per day online, you can definitely reach it, especially if you're gonna sign up for all 5 of these websites. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Hopefully I will see you in the next video, especially if you're watching this whole YouTube video series about making money online, 30 different ways to make $100. See you in the next one.